Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reuse images in Squarespace. This is an incredibly useful feature that saves you time and keeps your site consistent, especially when you want to use the same photos across multiple pages without having to upload them over and over again. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are listed. Now that you're on the dashboard, take a look at the websites you have set up. Simply click on the website where you want to reuse images. This opens up the specific site editor for that particular project, giving you access to all its pages and content. Once inside, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see an option that says Edit Site. Click on it. This will bring you into the main editing interface where you can make changes to your site's layout and content. After that, click the Edit button to begin making modifications. Now you'll want to select a section on your page where you'd like to add an image. Once you've chosen the section, click on Add Block. A menu will appear with various block types you can insert. From this menu, click on Image to add an image block to your section. After the image block appears, you'll notice a pencil icon on it. Click that pencil icon to open the image settings. Here, you'll see a plus icon which allows you to add an image to this block. Go ahead and click the plus icon. At this point, you'll be presented with several options for adding an image. What you want to do here is click Select from Library. This is the key step that allows you to reuse images you've already uploaded. This library is where all your previously uploaded images are stored. It's essentially your Squarespace Media Vault, and this is where you can reuse your images across different pages and sections without needing to upload them again. Browse through your library and select the picture you want to use. Once you've made your choice, click Add to insert that image into your block. Finally, make sure to click Save. This ensures that all your changes are applied and the image is now part of your page. Give it a moment to process and save properly. And there you have it. You've successfully reused an image from your Squarespace library, saving yourself time and keeping your site's visuals consistent. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.